Sheep rearing is a very lucrative business which is one of the employment opportunities for many unemployed youth. In the rural economy, as compared to goats and cows, their growth is higher and their resistance to diseases is much higher. Many have become self-sufficient by earning sheep in small areas with little capital. A sheep gives birth to 2 kids a year, 70 to 20 kg weight per dental year. Blanket, shawl, sweater, jacket is made from the sheep wool. Construction of proper housing for sheep is very important. Adequate amount of light and air should be present in the room. Sheep should be kept in a bamboo or wooden loop. Inside the house, the height of the loop should be 1 meter and the height from the roof should be 8 feet. Sheep usually eat fine leaves and dried hay, and grain sheep likes to grass on grassland. As grain feed, the sheep can be given musculi, white husk, muscle powder, salt rice, husk etc. Salt western shells etc. should give about 3% rice, white corn broken 3% for children, or 12% pregnant women. Now we will talk about sheep health care. First of all, healthy sheep with reproductive capacity should be brought to the farm. A sheep must be dewormed after being brought to the farm. The sheep should be observed for the first 15 days. Water and food should always to be stocked. Sheep should be bathed in 0.5% melathion solution. To remove lice and wool, almost all disguises in sheep are caused by KM, so deworming is very important. Sheep newborn calves should be given milk in proportion to their weight for the 3 to 4 days after birth. It builds child immunity. Profitable business, meat, milk and wool are obtained from sheep the same time, so the profit is high. The cost of raising is very low, as sheep can be grazed on open pasture. Disguises of sheep are generally less than those of other animals. Sheep live in groups, so they are easily to keep and can be worked with few workers. Friends, today I am ending here. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our farm video.